In this tutorial, I'll show you how to manage saved addresses on the Etsy app in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy lets you store multiple delivery addresses so you can check out faster and make sure your orders go to the right place every time. Now, if you want to manage your saved addresses on the Etsy app, here's what to do. Start by opening the Etsy app and logging into your account. Next, tap on your profile icon. After that, go to Settings or Account Settings. Then, tap on Addresses to view your saved addresses list. Now, to add a new address, tap Add New Address. After that, enter your full name, street address, city, postal code, country, and phone number. Then, tap Save and your new address will be added to your account. To edit an address, open the address you want to change, update the details, and tap Save again. To delete an address, select the address and tap the delete or trash icon, then confirm the removal. Keep in mind that you cannot delete an address that is currently used in an active order. Also, any changes you make will automatically sync across your account for future purchases. That's it. By managing your saved addresses on Etsy, you can speed up checkout and avoid delivery mistakes.